Welcome to my channel. My name is Shie and I'm so excited to finally start this YouTube journey. I've been thinking of starting YouTube for a very long time, and today I want to share with you why I finally decided to take a bold step. But first, get to know me. Growing up, I was that girl who loved documenting everything. Whether it was a holiday, random outings with friends, or just capturing moments and sharing them with others. As I got older, I found myself diving into social media, filming myself, and I discovered this was something I had to pursue more seriously. As many might relate, things doesn't just go according to plan, right? Trust me, before starting this journey, I've questioned myself if I'm on the right path. But through it all, one thing remains constant, which is my passion for creating content and connecting with people. I've always admired content creators who put themselves out there and share their knowledge about a particular topic. There is something powerful about video content. It is real, raw, and it allows people to connect on a deeper level. Over the years, I've learned so much from creators and I've been inspired by their stories, challenges, and successes. I want to give back in the same way by creating content that not only entertains but adds value to your life. I'm all about teaching you how to level up your content creation game with actionable tips and tricks, living your best life and achieving your fitness goals on a budget. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, you will always learn something from my channel. But that's not all. I believe in a holistic approach to life. I believe in creativity. That's why I'll be taking you along the Authentic You series, teaching you about a minimalistic life to help you cultivate a fulfilling, productive, and a balanced life, from daily routines to time management hacks. I've got you covered. I've always loved watching YouTube videos, especially those videos that will make my life better. Watching these videos inspired me at a point to create my own content and share my perspectives with the world. So here are some other reasons I decided to start in the first place. Passion, you guys. Passion. I'm passionate about content creation, videography, vlogging, wellness, and unboxing new experiences. I'm passionate about discussing, creating, and exploring the future you, the authentic you, and I want to share it with a wider audience. I also want to connect with people who share the same interests, building a community where we can all learn from each other. I want to challenge myself to learn something new and grow as a person. Making videos and putting myself out there is definitely stepping out of my comfort zone. And hey, let's be real. Things might get a little crazy around here. I'm not perfect, and there will definitely be some mistakes. That's part of the journey, right? We are here to learn, laugh, and grow together. But more than anything, I want this channel to be about you. Yes, you looking at me. I want to create a community where we can all share our thoughts, ideas, and experiences. I want to hear from you what you love, what you're curious about, and what you want to see more often, because this is a two-way street. Coming up tomorrow, I'll be uploading another video. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Hit the subscribe button and make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Also, give this video a thumbs up to show some love. Thank you for being here with me at the start of this amazing adventure. I can't wait to see where this journey takes us. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.